Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel.
Now we see grade 9, chapter 2, Polynomials. Now we see the definitions for polynomials. Definition. Polynomials, I have to split this name into two. Polynomials. So, poly, it means many. And then nomials, it gives the terms. So, polynomial we consider consists of many terms. Consists of many terms. So, students, in this reference, you know the definition. So, what is meant by polynomial? A polynomial, an expression which consists many terms. We say it as polynomial. That means one term means a monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, and then apart from that three, more than three, we say it as a polynomial. And another one is also there. The expression contains four terms. It is a quartic polynomial. What is that? Quartic polynomial. So an expression which contains more than four terms, we say it as polynomial. So what is the definition? An expression which contain many terms. See, what is the definitions for expression and what is the definitions for terms. Types of polynomials. So polynomials just have two types, under terms and under degree. Polynomials can be classified into two types. On the basis of terms and on the basis of degree. So first we have to see the basis of terms. So already we see the definitions about terms. Terms is nothing but a combination of variables and then constant, numerical values and alphabets. The combination of constant and variables. So on the basis of terms, it should be divided into three types. First one, monomial. And then second one, binomial. And then third one, trinomial. So I just underline the word, just you have to think mono, bi and then tri. The meaning of mono is one, bi means two, tri means three. Already I explained in polynomial definition, polynomial. So poly means many, nomials means term. So mono means one, nomial means it can be split as mono plus nomial. Mono plus nomial. So on the basis we have to see in elaborate the types of polynomial in terms. So monomial can be split as mono plus nomial. So now mono means one, nomial means term, So already I informed the polynomials. Poly means many, nomial means terms. It considers many terms. As the same way, monomial, it consists an expression. An expression consists only one term. Only one term. For an example, 5x is the combination of constant and variable, and then 3y is that. Here 1, 2, 3 is there, one constant and two variables. This 3 in multiplication. There is no basic operation plus or minus. So this 3 it's including the multiplication. 3y is it also one term. For PQR. This is also we say it as monomial. Next we have to see binomial. Binomial. So this word can be classified by plus nomial. So already I told by in the sense two, and then nomial terms. So binomial means two terms. So by concluding, an expression which consists two terms, is called binomial. Binomial. For example, so two terms means it can be, the terms can be split by the basic operation plus or minus. Already I told. For example, 3xy. There is no basic operation. So I will put only 1 plus here. So this one becomes one term and this one becomes second term. So here you have to see these are not one variable polynomial. Here x is one variable and y is another variable, but we say it as two terms. 3x square plus 2, 4x cube plus 1. These are all having 1, 2. So 1, 2. So totally two terms is there. So these are the example for binomial. Binomial. Trinomial. So this word I spread as it is same. Tri plus nomial. So tri 3. And then nomial means as well as terms. Now it's conclude 3 terms. So trinomial means an expression which consists 3 terms. It's called trinomial. So it consists 3 terms called trinomial. For example, 3x square 2x plus 1, 4x square 5x plus 7, x square plus 2x plus 3. So now we conclude. I just put in a minus, not only plus. So the basic operation plus and minus can be split the term. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So all the expressions having 3 terms. So an expression which contains 3 terms, we say it as trinomial. And next we have to see types of polynomial on the basis of degree. And before that, what is meant by degree? Degree is nothing but here some expressions there. So here all the variables contains some exponents. Exponents is nothing but power. So what is the power? Here 2, here 1. So here all the expressions I will give up to 2. So all the expressions having the degree 2. So I have to give that explanation and definitions elaborately next. On the basis of degree. So already we seen type of polynomial on the basis of terms. Now we see on the basis of degree. So what is meant by degree? What is meant by degree? The degree of a polynomial is determined. The degree of a polynomial is determined by the highest exponents. Highest exponent that is with a variable. That is with a variable. So degree is nothing but an expression contains so many exponents in variables. Which one is the highest one? We say it as a degree. So that's why the degree is nothing but highest exponent that in with the variable. Okay. The types. First one, linear polynomial. Second one, quadratic polynomial. And then third one, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And then next, the final one, quartic polynomial. Quartic polynomial. So four types. So first one, linear polynomial. In linear polynomial, the basic form ax plus c. So here we consist, this is as constant and this one is a variable. The power is 1. So an expression which contains power as a 1, we say it as linear polynomial. So which consists degree 1, as well as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, the basic formation ax square bx plus c. Already I told, highest exponent in the variable, an expression which contains highest exponent. So this is the basic expression. So the variable contains power 1 and then power 2. So 2 is the highest value. So which consists degree 2. So an expression which contains the 2 as a degree, that one is quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cube means already we know that 3. The basic form ax cube bx square cx plus d. So here 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the highest one. So which consists degree 3. So these already you know that up to cubic polynomial. What is meant by quartic polynomial? In a circle, we have to divide it into 4 segments. Right? In this 4 segment, the each and every segment 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So each and every segment we say it as a quadrant. That means quarter portion. That means 1/4 of a 1/4 of a circle. 1/4 of a circle. So quarter means 1/4 of a circle. So quartic means the basic polynomial ax power 4 bx cube cx square plus dx plus e. So the degree consists 4, which consists degree 4. So now you see linear, quadratic, cubic and quartic polynomial. So almost you have to see this first 3 only. Quartic polynomial is rare. See degree of constant. Constant is nothing but already you know that numerical values. So doesn't change that values. Variables means it may having so many values. So what is the degree of constant? For example, so 3, 5, these are the constant values. So this is one of the constant polynomial, constant expression. So what is the degree? I think the degree of constant 3 is 0. There is no variable. Already told the degree is nothing but a highest exponent which contains in the variable. So there is no variable here. How you have to write the degree of constant is 0. Just you recall in your 8th standard exponents and powers. Anything power 0 which is equal to 1. Anything power 0 which is equal to 1. Just you consider. So it can be written as 3. It can be written as 1 into 3. This 1 can be written as with any variable. I take x to the power 0. 3. This means 3x power 0. Now you see, this is only one term. This is a constant term. The power is 0. The value of x power 0 is 1. It's nothing but 3. So the constant, the degree of constant 3 is 0, as well as degree of constant 5 is 0 in the same manner. For example, 5x to the power 0 which is equal to 5 into 1 which is equal to 5. So 0 is the degree. Now we see polynomial with one variable. Polynomials with one variable. So polynomials with one variable. Already know that variable is nothing but all alphabets which consist. For example, I will written one basic format. Ax power 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4 term is there. This d we consider as a constant. D we consider as a constant. Here x. Here the expression which contains the variable x. An expression which contains the variable x. So we say it as this polynomial with one variable. I'll give another example. 5x square plus 3x plus 1. So all the variables having x. And the next one, 3p plus 1, comma 4p cube plus 3p plus 2. So here p, 2 terms is there, the variable is p. 3 terms is there, the variable is p. Here you didn't consider about the power, just what the variable is there in this full expression, p. So we consider polynomial with one variable. Next I show some example whether it consider the polynomial with one variable or not. I write some examples for polynomial with one variable. First of all, you know that an expression which contains one variable or different variable, all the exponents, the power of the variable, it should be in the whole number, not in integers or any rational numbers or fractions like that. So all the power should be in whole numbers. So first I have to write this one 5t square plus the root t can be written as t power 1 by 2. So this is not a polynomial. So once you consider polynomial with one variable, first of all that expression is a polynomial. So polynomial condition, the expression which contains the only whole numbers. Here root t is not, the power is not a whole number. So no. The same way here the second term 3t square plus 4t power minus 1 plus 1. The second term of the expression which contains the integers as a power. Already I told whole number only the power. So this one we consider no. And next one 6b square 5b 2. So all the values 6b power 2 plus 5b power 1 plus 2. All the powers in a whole number. So which contains the variable b. So the value is yes, which contains the polynomial with one variable. Also this expression is also a polynomial.